E19-6. This looks like a fun session. Just check that entrance out, just seeing how that leg's going. Cool. Let's have a little chat sometime about the entrances. Maybe we try and get a meeting together, just have a little talk, see how things are going. I'd like to listen to what you guys have to say rather than just watching. It just gives me a little bit more feedback than just sometimes what I'm seeing and what might be happening. Could be two different things. I just want to double check. So guys, let's just try and figure out a time when we can meet that's mutually beneficial. Thanks for sticking with this idea of doing the long, the standard 19, even though maybe the move to the 6 would be otherwise. I think we've given it a good look now, just so that you guys are ready for those particular moves. And I know it's more challenging sometimes actually this way to get to the 6 build, especially for the front pair. All right, so we're looking at some really good B-slot stuff for the back. Yeah, I've got nothing negative to say, especially liking how much confidence is going into the builds of the 6. You know, there's the center point. Everyone is moving to a position and just doing a really good job on the build of the 6. Good. Okay, Yara, let me just a quick check some of the early ones. Just want to check your 6. Yeah, make sure you don't get too rotated on the 6. Watch here. It's not so bad. It's just very easy for you as you go through Yara to rotate a little too far. You want to be rotating with Matthew at the end of the block. And I'll just explain the reason why. So as you come through, you're a super nice move. You and Nadia looking real synchronous there. And there's that donut target. If you can just hold here for a second, it gives Matthew a chance to get going. He can't go anywhere just now, you know, because his door is only just opening. His timing now is okay, it's good. But there's no reason for you to start rotating sooner. In fact, if you start rotating sooner, that brings your upper body through, and that forces him with his upper body through rather than his hips, which he's trying to do. So if you could hold this donut target now, rather than continuing to rotate, he's going to find it easier to come underneath Otto and fly with his hips. Maybe you can picture what it's like for him now, is if you're in his position now, Yora, and you start rotating, that brings your upper body through, and it's the center that we're trying to get through. It's a small thing, but it's going to draw Matthew underneath Nadia more and more through the session. Like I said, it's a real tiny thing, and it's just something for you to be aware of. You're going to the right place here. That's the donut target there. In fact, it's a lovely tight target, guys, if you can remember this. And then Yora just kind of hold that angle until Matthew starts moving through, and it'll stop you guys opening up. So it'll keep Matthew, I want Matthew to come through and stay 90 degrees to you. That way he's ready to go for the catch. Too much fun, guys. Looks like a really good session. Really good builds as well to the 19. See what's happening there to that end of the 6 because of the angle. Like look at that, look at the straight line here between Yora and Matthew. And I hope what I'm wanting to see is Yora to be holding this angle, Matthew to now start to get ahead of him. And it's now Matthew that's leading the catch, and Matthew that should be coming directly through here. But with the straightening out of the pieces, he gets forced a little bit underneath Nadia. Can you see that? Beautiful flow to this jump, guys.